Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home Tuber. Today in this video I'm going to show you the recipe for making garlic bread with cheese, and this is everyone's favorite and very quick recipe. So keep watching the video. So for making the garlic bread we need to activate our yeast first. So I'm taking half cup of milk in a bowl, and this milk should be lukewarm. It should not be very hot or very cold, otherwise the yeast will not be activated. So I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of instant dry yeast. So this will activate very fast. So here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon only with 1 spoon of sugar. Just give it a mix, nicely give it a mix, cover it and keep it aside to activate. And now in a mixing bowl I am taking all-purpose flour or maida. I am taking only 2 cups of maida. Now I am sprinkling some salt, 1 teaspoon. Now I am sprinkling some oregano, which is optional. If you have, you can add it. Now just give it a good mix to the flour. And this garlic bread will be very super moist and fluffy. So now our yeast mixture is also ready. Now we need to knead the dough with that. So I am adding very gradually. I am not adding it all at once. So just keep on adding little by little and make a semi-soft dough. If you need, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water or milk more if it's required. Otherwise half cup will be fine for making the dough. Now I am putting some oil so that our dough will be nice and shiny. Just knead it very nicely with light hands. We don't have to knead it like a bread. So I'm just putting it all together and I'm tucking it and I'm keeping it for resting. Once this looks okay, we need to cover it and keep it aside in a warm place so that it will rise it fast. And this recipe doesn't require 1 or 2 hours of resting. It just need about 15 to 20 minutes. Because this is a quick recipe, you don't need to keep it for 1 or 2 hours like we keep in bread. So meanwhile our dough is resting, we can heat a pan and we can add some oil. I am adding oil so that the butter will not get burnt. So I am adding 1/4 cup of butter. You can take the quantity less or more as per your requirements. So once the butter is melted, I am adding chopped or grated garlic. I am adding 2 tablespoons of that fresh garlic I am adding. So we don't have to cook the garlic, we just have to warm it up. And now I am adding some chopped coriander, and this is also 2 tablespoons. So this garlic butter is ready. We don't need to cook it, just melt the butter and mix it up. And that's it, this garlic butter is also ready. So after 20 minutes I can see the dough is rest well, and now we can see it has doubled, or I can see it's like tripled in size. So we can just pinch it and just knead 2-3 times again. In this recipe you can make 2 garlic breads. 2 medium sized garlic breads will be done. So just divide the roll into 2 and dust your working station or working place and just knead it like this, like I am doing. And with light hands you can just divide the dough into 2 equal parts. And now we need to roll the dough. So just keep on sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour and keep rolling the dough into like a chapati. So once this is done, we need to start doing our next step. You can adjust the size as per your requirement. If you want to make it more big, you can do that, but this size is okay. Now we need to apply our garlic butter with brush or a spoon. So this is butter, garlic along with coriander, and this will give a very nice aroma and taste to our garlic bread. So guys, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to Happy Home Tuber, because I keep on making very exciting and very nice recipes. You can watch out other videos also. And I've made pizza also. Pizza video is also there. I've linked it in the description. Now I'm going to sprinkle some salt and chili flakes. And there is some mozzarella cheese I have. You can also use cheddar cheese if you want, but I am using mozzarella cheese, so you can sprinkle as per your requirements. If you want more cheesy, you can add more cheese. I am adding a bit less cheese because I don't like so much cheese, so I'm just adding little bit. And now I'm going to sprinkle some oregano. If you have mixed Italian herb, you can use that. Now we need to fold this into half, and you can seal it with milk or water. So now the edges are sealed. We have to brush with garlic butter again on the top. So with brush it becomes easy for you to top it up. So now once it's done, we need to grease our baking tray and we need to keep it. And now I'm sprinkling some more oregano, some more chili flakes. This will give a very nice taste, just like we get in Domino's. So once this is done, we need to keep a marking so that cutting will be easy. So you can mark it with knife, or if you have a dough cutter like this, you can do from that. So I have made the markings and this garlic bread is ready to be baked. So here I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes. See, this is ready to go into the oven. And you need to bake it for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrades. And once this is baked, this looks like this. And this garlic bread is ready to be served. You can team it up with soup or anything just like that. Also, it tastes super yummy, delicious and cheesy. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel and see how fluffy and soft this is. Do try this recipe because this is super tasty and very easy recipe. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to Happy Home Tuber. Till then, I'll see you with the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.